Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Amazfit GTS and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen brightness on this device. Let's start by pressing the power button to wake up the screen, and now swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have a brightness icon. Let's tap on it, and now to change the brightness we just need to swipe up and down on this bar. We can also tap on the auto brightness at the bottom to turn on the automatic brightness. And to turn it off, you can of course tap again on it, like that. And once you're done, just go back by swiping right on the screen. And that's how you change the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.